Hello everyone and welcome to the new video of Nocode Cult. On this channel we discuss no-code platforms where you can create web application and Android and iOS application with drag and drop features and with no coding whatsoever. So today's topic is appgyver.com. So on this website you can create your own application without use of any coding. So you have to search for appgyver.com and then you will be landed to this page. And here there are two options. Either you can go with SAP build apps where you can build SAP applications, or you can go with the community editions. So first we will try its community edition, which is free to use. So you just have to click on learn more, and here you can click on join our community. Then it will ask you to sign up. So just provide your email ID and set a password and your other details. And after submitting it, you will have your own ID created, and then you can create apps in it. After creating your account, you will be landed to this sign in page. So you have to enter your email ID and password and then click on sign in. And here it will ask you to confirm your mail. After confirming your name, you can sign in again with the email ID and password provided. And here it will ask you some common questions like your organization name. You can click for setup for personal use if you do not have any organization right now. And what describes your role. What will you like to build with Appgyver Composer? Now this will be your dashboard. Here you can see all the apps created. Since I have created no apps, it's showing me 0. So to create an app, you can click on this button, create new, and then give the app a name. So like demo 1, this will be the app. Let's create a simple app where we will fetch the name of the user and then greet them on the next page. So this is the app we will be creating today. So let me introduce you to the dashboard or your workplace. So here on the upper corners you have UI canvas, launch option to launch your application, themes to set the color and backgrounds of your application, the simple navigation to navigate to simple pages and change their icons and labels, data, all the data that your application can get will be shown here. And this is authentication, so you can allow authentication so that the user have to first sign in, then they can use your app. So they have two modes of authentication, Google Firebase and a third party authentication that you can choose of your own. And the last one is help. So if you have any problem with creating an app, you can always refer to documentation or ask question in forums and raise a issue also. So in UI canvas on left side you have options like icons, title, text, image, card, and form options like button, drop down menu. And if you want to get more of it, you can always go to marketplace and search here what you want, like list or a layout or different card designs. You can get sample data from marketplace also. Now on your right side window you have properties, styles, and layout. So each item that you select, their property, style, and layout, you can edit on your left side window. Like for headline, you will set what you want to write, like welcome. And here we will ask the user to write its name. So this will be the first interface. Here you can include the images also, and you can set the layout from here also in tree. And here I have to choose the image. So I can either type in its link here, or I can upload an image from my PC. So I have uploaded an image. Now I can just choose it and click on use image. So this is how the image will look like. And then I can add different page to it also by going here in empty page option. I can click on it and it will have me to add new page. But before I can add new page here, first I have to save my work. So it will save my work, and now I can add new page like page 1 and click on OK. So now I have two pages, and here what I want to welcome the user and ask how he or she is. So how are you? And then I'll remove its text so that here I can see the name of the user. So now we have created two pages. What we have to do is in our entry page, which is this one, we have to get the name of the user. So what will we do? We will insert a input field here, and we will remove this. And now it's time to set variable. So what variable will do, it will take the name of the user from here and then provide the name of the user on the next page. So to set variable, we can go to here, variable, and here you will learn more about variable, what it is. And here there's an option called add app variable. So just click on it, and the variable will be created, variable 1. So we'll use this variable, and you can change the name of the variable to var1, and you can choose the type of the variable from here, like it will be text, number, email address, anything you want. So let's go with text for now. An example value, we will remove it so that it will be empty. Initial value will also be empty, and then click on save. So this will be the variable. Now we have to use it. So there are four type of variables available: app variable, page parameters, and data variables. So the page variable will expire once the page is leaved. So like if a user go from one page to another, the variable value will be set to 0 or default value will be entered. An app variable remains until the application is closed. So since we have to move the name of the user from one page to another, we will be using app variable here. Now let's go back to our UI campus. And here in canvas, we will click the input field and set the value here to be a data and variable. And we will click on app variable, and we have only one app variable created, so it will show me this one, and click on save. So now the data will be entered here. Now this will how it looks, and then click on save, and we will also enter a button here so that user can click on this button to go to next page. So what this button will do, you can choose what it will do in this logic window. So logic window is located on the bottom of the page. You can just click on this black box and the logic window will be open. So what we have to do, we have to click the component. So this is the component, and when it is tapped, what we have to do, we have to open page. So we will drag the open page option from here and connect the dots. And here which page is to open, we will choose the page here to be page 1 and click on save. So now whenever user clicks on this button, they will be directed to page 1. And now click on save to save all the settings. We will change the button text to submit and click on save. So this is a very simple app that we have created just now. We'll go to next page, and now here we have to show the name. So what we'll do, I'll get a title text here again. I'll remove the text, and here I'll choose the value to be data variable, choose page variable and var1 and click on save. Let's give it a preview value, name. So it looks good to us, and that's it. So this will be our app. You can click on save here to save this. Now let's see how our app works. So to see it, we will go to launch, and here we will open app preview portal. So here we can preview our app. So this is the app we have created just now. You click on open, and this is my app right now. This is the page name which I have not set yet. So it is showing me empty page, the image, and here it is showing welcome, enter your name. So I'll enter my name like admin and then click on submit, and then it will show me how are you admin. And if I refresh this page, the text will not be shown because I have chosen it to be a app variable. So the app restarts and the variable is set to its initial value, which is nothing. And you can turn on the authentication here. Like if I turn on the authentication here, Airbase, and if I refresh this page, then it will ask me to log in here first, then I can use the application. You can customize it more if you want the application, and you can create different kind of application using it. So it is free to use. So the application you will create, you can use it for free. You do not have to pay any price to it. Here you can get the application to publish in App Store and Android Google Play Store also. You have to click on Open Build Service to get the deployable, and you can configure any of these and then click on Build to build it. You have to provide version code and version name here. And configuration, you have to enter the details, image access permissions and advanced, and then you can create the bundle and download it from here, and then you can publish it in Android Google Play Store or App Store. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to No Code Cult.